Hey y'all, it's Christina. Alright, so as you can see, I have two packages. Both of them are from Tryit. So I'm going to go ahead and start on them now. Alright, so I'm going to do this one last. Alright, so the first one I have to show you is just like this one, which is the other one I did in the previous video. So yeah. Alright, so let's see. Brown paper. Alright, so. Alright, and this one is the same brand as this, but it is the aloe vera, that 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, and it's supposed to help me with my scalp and dandruff and whatnot. Which, as you can see, I'm just now opening it. To me, I like the smell of it, so yeah. Alright. Which I'm going to use this in a little bit, and next thing I'm going to show you is this, which is another package I got from Tryit, like I said. And let's see, be quicker if I use my scissors. Guess not. It won't cut that. It won't do it that way. So. Alright. See if we'll open this way now. See, you know it's gonna take a while. So. So, like, not everything I will get that from Tryit will be full size. Alright, so let's see here. Which is a sample size I get, I'm assuming. Alright, so here we are. So the next thing is the package I was just opening, or at least trying to. Alright, so it is the, I don't know how to pronounce it, but there it is. Alright, so, this is the golden citrine. I guess it's a citrusant, I guess. So this is like a little serum size. So it's like I'm going to like spray a little bit here. Make sure I'm facing the right direction. It smells good to me. Whew. Alright, so I have some packages coming today from not Tryit. I'm still waiting on that one package from Tryit, which is a steam mop. So I'm waiting on that to come in. I don't know when it will come in. So yeah, and the packages I'm waiting on from Amazon are 6 DVDs, 2 copies of, 2 copies of several DVDs, one for me, one for my mom, or one for me, and one for my brother. So yeah, that's about it for this video. I wanted to real quickly make a video and say, hey, this is what I got, and whatnot, and, I'm waiting on the fridge to come in, be delivered today, which the fridge we have now is getting ready to go out soon. I don't know when, but it's probably going to be within the next few months, I guess. So I went ahead and got a fridge. The first one I got, it would not go through the door, so I'm like, alright. So I went back up to Lowe's to get another fridge. It was cheaper than the first one I got, so I got money back from that. And I'm I'm waiting for that to be delivered now. I'm waiting on them to call and say, hey, this is what's up. We're going to be on the way in about 30 minutes. So, I was going to use this and then wait on them to come and fix the fridge, install it, and whatever. Because it has an ice maker and they need to, like, hook it up. And all that good stuff. So, I guess that's going to be it for now. In the next video, I will show you, like, what how it worked, which this shampoo is going to work. I already know that. So, yeah, I was going to probably take a shower. Probably today. Sometime today. Don't know if it's going to be, I think it would be best if I went and took it before they came. Which they're going to be here. They said it was going to be delivered between 12 and 4. So, I'm waiting on them. I just want to see somebody walk past my window. Oof. Alright, so, be right back. Hey y'all, I'm back. Alright, so, sorry about that. My mom needed help, and as you can see, I took a shower. I used the shampoo. This one. Alright, so, I like the way it made my hair and scalp feel after using it. My scalp feels better. It does feel more moisturized, I guess. And I was getting a little itchy, like, right up there, near my forehead. And yeah, I like how it feels, my hair feels, I like how my hair and scalp feels after using it. It didn't exactly have the cooling sensation, but my hair did feel better. And my hair does feel good, clean. So, yeah. So, and that's going to be about it for this video. I do have some makeup coming. I ordered, the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson collaboration. I ordered the 2 makeup palettes. So, that should probably hopefully be here tomorrow. So, yeah. I might make a video on that. I don't know yet for sure. So, that's going to be about it for this video. Bye, y'all.